What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, and watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, the first thing I want to speak on is the reason we're using My Lead Gen Secrets to promote this product is because it's a very simple way to promote this product, and it's very easy to do. And you know, we just started and so forth. Because most people have multiple accounts of My Lead Gen Secrets. We're only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. I'm showing you the results of me using one account, guys. So this is the bare minimum. Like, just no work at all to make money, guys. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. Just the easiest way to make money online, period. Alright, guys. So if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, let me speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in general, you know. And the main reason why I like promoting it, it's a good product and all. Of course, it's a really good product, but the main reason I like promoting it is because it's affiliate system, which is amazing. All right, it is 80% recurring commissions. You get paid every single month. 80%. This is the absolute easiest way to make money. Best product to promote, period, guys. I'm not even joking. I have yet to find anything even close to those numbers. All right, even close to those numbers. All right, so yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna refresh the page and see if I got a sale. All right, I did not get a sale yesterday, but I did get a sale the day before.
Nice.
Now, if you might not know, I did not make a video yesterday because I wasn't in the vicinity of I wasn't capable of making a video yesterday. I wasn't here. So I wasn't able to report this sale here. And it's not a big deal. It's cool. It's a good sale. That 80 cents there, that's another sale for premium here. It's a $1 trial. Then it's $125 a month. Which means I get $100 per month if they stay in the system, which is fantastic. And yeah, guys, this is just the wave we're on right now, and this is just so easy to do. So anyway, guys, first thing first, we need to get you your link, guys. All these links here. So the first thing you want to do is come to my video here. Oh, all right, hold on, guys. I gotta find my video real quick. Give me a second. All right, guys. Once you get to my video, guys, all you have to do is step one, join My Lead Gen Secrets here. Very simple. You just gotta click, not My Lead Gen Secret, but the $25 all-in-one business. I'm so sorry, I'm getting jumbled up a little bit. But yeah, just do step one, guys. First, you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here, and what this page does is explain what the $25 business is, what all you get. It's a funnel builder for all you guys that want to know. It's a very good funnel builder, very lucrative, and a ton of work, easy work to do. All right, so yeah, I just want to explain that. So anyway, yes, I want in, blah blah blah. Right, you just click on that once you decide you want in. And you just put in your basic information here, the purchase product and so on and so forth. I recommend getting this as well if you want to really explode the amount of money you can make, because this is HBA premium. This is training on traffic and stuff like that. But you see, it's $125. That means you get paid $100 every month. Now, the reason why you want this product as well, guys, because you have to own the product to get commissions from it. So you really want to elevate how fast you can make money online. You probably want to go and get that product as well. So anyway, guys, that's that. Once you buy the product and all that good stuff, you'll come to a page look something like this. It'll probably look something like this at the top. Don't worry about the bottom here. Once you sign in, do all the stuff you need to. Now you're going to click on the affiliate zone here, guys. Once you click on the affiliate zone, you'll get to this page here. By the way, it's videos explaining all this. I want to make sure I say that. I'm just speed running through it a little bit. So once you get here, you want to sign up for the affiliate program here. It's going to take you to this page here where you put in some very basic information, right? And then you just log into the SoundCard, which is going to take you to this page here where all your links are going to be. All right. Personally, I use this link here, but you can use any link that you want, guys. It's not a big deal. Use any link that you want. All right. So that's all there is to that, guys. All right. So once you do that, you want to come back to my video here and you want to go to step 2, which is join my lead gen secrets. And that is going to look like this when you get to this page, when you click on that link there. And basically what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads every single day, and they kind of stack up that you can send an email to every day. So anyway, we're going to log in here. And by the way, the leads are very interested in making money online, which is fantastically perfect for the product that we're promoting, because it's all about making money online. All right. So once you get in, log in, whatever you got to do, we're going to go to the mailing system here, right? We're going to click on select all here. And we're going to use one of my emails here. We're going to use, let's go with this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. We're going to load this one up here. Instant $2,100 money commission each sale. All right, so just copy the video, pause the video to copy the email here for you guys. You don't have to make an email for your sales. You can just use my email since you're watching my video. That's the least I can do, you know. Why is our monthly commission so high? Blah, blah, blah. Just copy, paste, copy, paste. Very short email. Those are the ones that work the best, I found. Short, very short emails. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. You put your link right here where it says get started today, build your income, blah, blah, blah. You send the email, you're done. All right. Very simple, very easy process. That's all you need to do. Very simple. All right. And you're done. That's it. So that's all you got to do. Now, if you got multiple accounts, you can open them all and send the same email like that and really start getting some stuff, some sales coming through. You know what I mean? But yeah, anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.